Got myself a Banjolele today, a funky little combo of banjo ukulele that dates back to the 1920s. First thing first, time for a bit of TLC and brush to clean it up. Alright, let's talk tuning. This thing's slipping like a pair of skates on ice. Guess it's time to swap in some trusty old tuners from my first guitar. Just gotta be precise removing the originals. No extra scratches allowed. Now punch these old tuners caps, which is well my own custom approach, but these holes need to be a bit bigger to fit in the new caps. Let's dust it off and tighten everything up carefully. Tuner's good to go, nice and slow. Oh yeah, it's looking great. Time for strings. My buddy Tom said they are fishing lines, kinda quirky, but nah. I'm going with classic guitar strings for now. Got everything in place, but something's off. Tuning's up to A, E, C, G. Not the sound I'm looking for. I'm putting in some extra things to get the tuners and the cables down to the neck in a landing position. Let's see how it sounds now. Not the kind of sound that I'm really interested in. The guitar strings won't work. Alright, I'm switching to Diodario clear nylon soprano strings. I heard they're the best. And unboxing, always the blast. These shiny new strings look great, but I'll need to tie them on, Yuki style. A little loop action to lock them in, and snip, off goes the extra. I'll actually do a double knot at the bridge and before the bridge, and then pull them up tightly so that I do have a great length coming all the way to the tuners, and then my trusty old guitar style looping so that the tuners will hold. This thing always worked great with guitars, and I'm pretty sure it will work with nylon strings. Especially nylon strings may stretch initially and then it will gradually settle with the tuners in place. Alright, let's cut off the extras. Yep, and also cut off from the tuner side, and it will look fresh and nice. Fantastic. Let's set the vibe with a meditation bowl. Gotta keep it zen for this project. Tuning it this time to A, D, F sharp and B, and we'll listen to that sweet mellow sound. This is how Banjolele is meant to be tuned and restored. Breathe in, breathe out. Time to tighten up the knots. This is how a Banjolele sounds at the guitar store. I hope I've done a good job with the oldie. Here goes the final restored sound. Enjoy.